Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's me, Jeimy, Guardado. I like to make videos about makeup, travel, fashion, lifestyle, DIYs, and other things, anything in general. So if you like the kind of content, please do consider subscribing. Also, thank you so much for clicking on this video. For today's video, we're going to be doing a little get ready with me. I'll be having my own little photo shoot later for this competition that I joined. I've mentioned some things here and there in my previous videos. If you've watched them, you know what I'm talking about. This little photo shoot is part of the requirement of the competition, so I have to get ready, do my makeup, hair, outfit, and go to the area where I'm gonna be shooting. We're just gonna film here in the clubhouse nearby. I have no idea what I want to do for my makeup. I'm still deciding through the colors green, blue, and orange. I think I will do orange. I'll be using this light orange first. Now I will be using this middle shade, which is a bit more bright. Just making sure everything is well blended. I don't even know what I'm doing. Like, I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. I'm just going with it, winging it. Now I'll be taking this dark orange right here, and I'll put that just right under. I'm gonna be cutting it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. I'm gonna be cutting it with the BYS concealer as always. So I'm just going to put a little bit here in my hand. If I don't like how it turns out, I think I'm going to just not shoot today. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow if I don't like it. Liking it so far. Yes, yours. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera just to save you some time, so I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so I think this is the best I can do for now. Now I think I will be putting this one in the part where I just put the concealer. I'm kind of hesitant because I also want this one, but since the pants are color green and the top is orange, I think I'm going to do this one na lang, the green with orange, you know. I'm gonna be using this face powder instead that concealer because I think I did put a little bit too much. Now I'm gonna go with the neon pen, just actually a eyeliner. Okay, let's go in. I hope I don't mess this up. I'm gonna just use this one instead because the green pencil I'm using, it keeps breaking. I'm just going to use eyeshadow. I forgot to press record, but now I put a little bit of blue here at the end of the wing. So this is how it looks like. Now I'm gonna be using the blue eyeliner from BYS. Again, it's same neon, but I think this one has a bit more pigment if you know how to work it than the green one. I don't know why the green one is so difficult to use. And yeah, maybe I'll put the blue here and then the green one in this side. I did a bit on the inner corner as well. Now I'm gonna do the lower half with the green one. Let me just do it off camera.
One eternity later.
Y así es el look final. Ahora solo me falta los labios, el resto del maquillaje en mi cara y las pestañas y cejas. Creo que haré eso fuera de cámara para ahorrarles el tiempo. Ya regreso. Hey guys, I just finished doing my makeup. Now I'm gonna do my hair because I'm running out of time. I'm gonna be putting these ones on. These are like little hair extensions. There's also this color right here. It's like a sky blue color. Hi guys, so this is the final look. And I already did my hair, just 2 braids here, and put the extensions. I incorporated it into the braid. So I'm just going to get changed and I'll see you later.
I decided I will make a separate video of the clips from the shoot that I did, but I will be posting it after the show. So you can see my outfit there first. If you want to watch me on the day of the virtual show, go follow me on my Instagram account and I will announce there when it goes live so you can go watch it.